In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to learn English. So, language is all about grammar and structure and the translations from your own respective language to the language you're trying to learn. So, whenever you're trying to learn a language, you need to know the meanings, right? So, it's always better to go ahead and make flashcards. And how do you get the translations? You can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to, can you give me 10 words well, obviously in this video I'm writing in English, but there's always an option on whatever language you speak. You can obviously write in that language, obviously, since you don't know English, right? So in this case I'm just using English to learn English, but that's self-contradictory. But you'll be using your own language, either it's Arabic, either it's Hindi, or either it's anything French. You'll be using that language as a keyboard to write and convey with ChatGPT to teach you English. So in your own language, you could write here, can you give me 10 words regarding a certain topic, whether it be travel or anything, let's say regarding food. Can you give me 10 words regarding food in English? Right? And there we go. It gives you 10 words regarding that. And for whatever reason, if you can't pronounce them, you can even go ahead and ask ChatGPT on how to pronounce them in your own language, right? So let's say it was in terms of Arabic. How would you pronounce these words? And considering that I speak Arabic, right? Even though you can clearly see I'm writing in English, but obviously you would be writing in some other language or language you speak in, right? So let's pretend I'm writing in Arabic, right? And then relating to that, it will tell you how to pronounce these words relative to your alphabets in your language, right? So in Arabic, you would pronounce it as delicious as the alphabet da, ja, la, ya, sheen, and sin. So this will be pronounced as delicious, right? And that's very much like how you would pronounce the word in English, right? So in this way, ChatGPT can help you pronounce words, right? It can also obviously give you the meanings and the relative meanings in your own language. It can also help stimulate real life situations. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to be a worker somewhere, and you to be act as the salesman perhaps, and them to be the customer, and you could talk or convey with each other in such a situation that replicates a real life situation and improve your skills, right? You can also ask ChatGPT to give you a small quiz, perhaps a riddle, right? So let's ask, could you please give me a quiz on a few English words, right? And it'll give you a quiz on English words which you can answer. So let's see what it has given us first. What is the opposite of sweet? Well, it's clearly sour, and you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT and answer all of these questions respectively, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it'll obviously give you answers for that, right? So in that way, you can slowly improve your skills, and in no time you'll be able to speak English and be able to convey with others, right? So that is how you would use ChatGPT to learn English. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.